Hello Jerjers! It's me, it's Jeremy. Now before we begin, nais ko muna po salamat sa ating mga Jerjers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at sa pag-like at pag-share ng ating mga videos. Na kung meron kayong mga gustong iluto pa natin dito sa It's Jeremy na Jerry Meal, i-comment nyo lang down below ang inyong mga demands. Now speaking of demands, since high demand po ngayon ang Crabstick sa market dahil nauuso na nga ang California baked sushi or mga baked sushi na nilalagay sa tray, di ba? At ninenegosyo na yan. At nauuso na rin ang pagiging online seller. Wala nang buyer sa atin, mga ka-Jerger. Puro online seller na tayo lahat ngayon. So, naisip ko, gawa tayo ng ibang variation para dun sa pagluto ng crabstick. Ano po pwedeng mga iba pang recipe na magagawa ko sa crabstick? Now, this recipe is also an homage to one of my favorite cuisines, which is Japanese cuisine. Aside from Filipino, of course, Pinoy cuisine. Yan po ang isa sa mga gusto ko na mga pagkain, no? Basta Japanese food. Kasi I like the precision that they put into their food, the dedication, the substitution, lahat na may short. Hindi, seryoso po yun. No? Seryoso. Para sa ating mga online seller dyan, pamain na lang po ang ating recipe ngayon. The joke lang. So for our ingredients, we have our crab sticks, 5 pieces. Nauuso, gawin natin ganyan para 5. Sesame oil, some leeks, yan, and 2 cup ng kanin, sesame seeds, some vinegar, some oil, vegetable oil, some soy sauce, cornstarch, garlic, yung pinrito natin na crab stick at iniwa, some brown sugar, Japanese mayo, or you can use any mayonnaise, some pepper, and some water. Now, for our kani rice bowl, umpisa na natin yung ating sauce. No? So, a little vegetable oil muna. Just enough to cover the bottom layer of your pot or your pan or kung anong paglulutuan ninyo. Tayo mo uminit. So, unahin natin yung bawang, some garlic, as our flavor base. So hanggang sa maging fragrant lang o humalimuyak yung bawang, that's about 30 to 45 seconds over medium heat, and then we pour in you start deglazing your pan with some vinegar. I'm using cane vinegar, red cane vinegar. So let the vinegar simmer a bit. Kaya mo mawala yung acidity. Favorite word ni Direk.
Yeah, baby!
And then, lagay mo na yung soy sauce. And then, some sugar. Brown sugar. Halo lang. And then now, at this point, you can add a little bit of water. And then we add our cornstarch. Kaya mag-simmer yan. Ngayon hindi na gumawa ng slurry. Hayaan ko na nung ma-absorb nung liquid yung cornstarch natin. Kasi ganun din naman yun. Lalapot din naman yun. Kaya mo lang yung mag-simmer at lumapot. And then we prepare our kani. So gawin mo lang yung crab stick. Rub it in between your hands. And then, matik yan, no? Maghihiwa-hiwalay siya. Okay, so rub it in between your hands. Sa mga crab stick po, ito lang yung nakakain ko talaga na crab. I've discussed this before sa omelette natin, no? Sa omusoba natin. Gawa to sa isda, flavored lang siya ng crab. So, para sa mga taong allergic sa crab or sa crustaceans just like me, edi pwede guys sa crab stick, diba? Okay, so you get something like this, almost like pasta, almost like soba, like a noodle, no? So we'll put this here. Let the crab sticks absorb the liquid mixture, and then at the same time malalasa din yung liquid ng crab stick, no? And then add some pepper. Freshly cracked pepper, and then add a drizzle of sesame oil. Okay? A little goes a long way with sesame oil. Malasa yan eh. Let that simmer again. It's nice and thick. Parang nanghahalina, no? Tinatawag kang kainin na siya agad. No, Direk? I'm sure si Direk meron din katawagan yan eh, na gusto nila magkainan. Ay, may gusto na siyang kainan. Yeah, baby! Now, in any case mga ka-Jerjer, maubusan kayo ng crabstick or mawalan kayo ng supply dahil nagkakaubusan na nga dahil halos lahat ay gumagawa na ng baked sushi, pwede naman kayo gumamit ng ibang mga meat, no? Pwede kayo gumamit ng fish, pork, or chicken. Even ground beef, pwede din, no? Or pwede kayo substitute, no? Yung corned beef na mahibla. When I say mahibla, yung karne niya yung mas thicker as compared to dun sa durog-durog na corned beef. Pwede din yun. We are waiting for that to simmer. I have here my leeks. Prepare na natin ating garnish, no? Wrap na tayo ng plating. So get the green part of your of your leeks. And then what you do, you tilt it lang. You tilt the and then tilt mo rin yung paghiwa mo. So you get nice long strands, almost like buhok, no? Nice julienne strips. That might be too long. Tuwian natin ng konti. So you get something like this. Just give it a quick shake in your hands. Okay. Sa letrang O, bingo! Sige, parapol. So for plating, we have to have our components ready, no, ahead of time. So nag-prepare ako kanina ng fried crab stick. Tapos iniwan ko na maliliit. Ito po yun. Yan. And then some toasted sesame seeds. Now, bago ako nakarating dito, pakita ko muna sa inyo kung paano. Alright, so first we're gonna make our crispy kani as topping for our rice bowl. Ayan siya. We're just gonna fry it hanggang sa lumutong siya. So hanggang hintay natin lumutong yan, let's do our sesame seeds. Just gonna lightly toast it to bring out the flavor and the essence of the sesame seeds. So, ang technique kapag gumagawa tayo ng sesame seeds, pag tutustahin natin, you have to constantly move it hanggang sa mag-lightly golden brown siya. There's something oddly satisfying kapag nagtutusta ako ng sesame seeds. Yung movement ng bawat buto. Sa Tagalog, ang sesame seeds ay linga. So, my favorite part before eating, of course, plating. So, you get a spoonful of your crab stick soaked in its sauce. Tapos, well, technically, yung crab stick, kahit hindi nyo na initan yun kainin nyo na diretso kahit pagkaso. Pwede nyo nang kainin. Kasi luto naman na yun Tsaka guys to welcome na rin the month of my birthday, the crab month, kasi I'm Cancerian, naisip ko na rin tong recipe na to. May ganun di ba yun yung masarap sa mga rice bowl, yung sauce na absorb yung rice? Kasi rice is a very good flavor vehicle. Whatever you put in there, ma-absorb niya, Now, this is purely optional, but it's up to you guys kung gusto nyo mag-add ng Japanese mayo. And then you add some of your leeks. And then some sesame seeds. On top, toasted sesame seeds. And then your toasted crab sticks. To give it a nice texture, crispy. So hindi lang siya malambot, may sorpresa. Now, it's nice to follow the trend pagdating sa food, pero it's also nice to defy it, di ba, sometimes, and make good use of what you have at home. Kasi kung wala naman kayong oven sa bahay, o di kaya naman ay kulang yung ingredients nyo, namamahalan kayo sa Japanese mayo, use normal mayonnaise. Kung wala kayong Japanese rice, use the normal rice, no? Kasi ang importante naman dito na ma-satisfy yung craving ninyo at a fraction of the cost, di ba? Na-achieve mo pa din, ika nga. And this is it, mga ka-Jerjer, our canny donburi or canny rice bowl or crabstick rice bowl. Let's eat!
Got me in overdrive.